Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and I want to show you some of my favorite things on the Bernina 790 Plus sewing and embroidery machine. So first off, currently this is my personal sewing machine of choice. So at home, this is my machine. I love to sew on it. A couple things that I just enjoy all the time is how much space there is, the smooth and quietness of a Bernina, the ginormous bobbins that they have put in this machine, and the Bernina stitch regulator. That's the unit that comes with this particular model that allows me to free motion quilt while it keeps all my stitches nice and even. When you do take a look at any of our Bernina Stitching Cosmos online course quilts, I have quilted all the different samples that we have done there. And I wasn't always a machine quilter, but Bernina's stitch regulator helped me become that person. The touch screen, the extra wide stitches I use all the time to create even larger motifs on my fabric. So everything in this quilt is sewn, is done with decorative stitches. There's no embroidery in any of our Bernina Stitching Cosmos course techniques. Now, if you want embroidery, head over to the Embroidery Essentials online course. That's where you get to embroider and master the embroidery side of this machine. One thing I love about the embroidery side is, number one, how fast and smooth this machine is. This embroidery unit is so rigid and heavy that I can quilt heavy quilts on it. I can do heavy jackets with it. That's one thing you notice when you attach that embroidery hoop to this machine. It is solid. And I love the fact that the slide-on table that comes with this machine can actually be used in conjunction with the embroidery module. That's why I have it on right now, just to show you. So that extra work surface is all there to support usually my larger projects. The Bernina 790 Plus also has the Bernina dual feed. That's almost like having a walking foot built into the machine, because it is. And so if you've ever had a Bernina before, the walking foot easily went on, but now it's just built on board and it's just right there when I need it. It also allows me to use other presser feet, such as a zipper foot, and have that walking foot capability of keeping odd fabrics, slippery fabrics, not slipping as I go. The needle threader is awesome. The lighting is amazing. I know I mentioned that already, but my hands don't create shadows when I'm there sewing. The other thing that I do use a lot, both when I embroider and when I free motion quilt with the Bernina stitch regulator, is actually a straight stitch throat plate. So this is something that actually is included with this machine. I pop it on, I tell the machine not to let me do a zigzag, and I never break a needle, which is great. So there is so much available on this machine. We're doing over 120 videos on the sewing and embroidery side, so I hope you'll check out all the things that we have done. If you're considering buying this machine, you're going to get to see what capabilities it has and how this machine will take you to a whole new level of creativity. So there's plenty of links below this YouTube video where you can check out our Stitching Cosmos online course, the Embroidery Essentials course, and find a link to all the other videos that we are doing. So I hope you'll join me on an amazing Bernina journey.